Hello, hello, hello! This is your Thai Finish pero pusong Pinay. Hintayin lang natin yung SkyTrain dahil magta-transfer tayo. Pupunta tayo doon sa Terminal 1 dahil doon ang aming transfer going to Finland. Ayan na yung SkyTrain. Let's go, Gi. Dahil asikasuhin pa namin yung aming ticket dahil merong problema. Dahil parang may unsettled na bill doon sa ticket. Bring the bag, anak.
I remember the SkyTrain.
Yes. Let's go. And this is going back to Terminal 1. Come here, anak. Follow mommy na. Good job naman to si Kuya Miggy. Bella, Bella. Where is Bella? Jet setter and baby girl. Where are you going, baby? Huh? Where is Bella going? Hold mo na, anak. Hold mo na. You bring the juice? Can you hold this one first? Gusto ko lang si Bella kasi sa likod.
Mommy.
Dinalak yan.
I don't remember this different before.
No, it's I think the same. Yan, oh. Hold on to the handrail. Going to Terminal 1 transfer. Ayan. Yes.
I know, like there's a ping pong playground. I heard.
Yeah.
We can waste time.
Yeah. Bumaba kami. Terminal 3 pa rin to. Dahil yung SkyTrain to Terminal 1, dito na lang pala lalakarin namin. And then, transfer pa kami ng isa pang SkyTrain. Hindi, anak. Yeah, we have to go to the, another SkyTrain. Ayan o, SG60. Anak, take a picture there. Anak, dali. Let's take a picture here, dali. You, me, and Bella. Grabe talaga ang ganda dito sa Singapore Airport, no?
Wow.
Singapore International Airport.
Wow.
Transfer A. Punta tayo doon sa SkyTrain to Terminal 1, which is dito. Ali, anak, si Miggy. Ito lang naman si Miggy. Kasunod naman sa akin. Ayan. Dito tayo. Ayun. Doon ang SkyTrain sa unahan. Maghahanap tayo ng trolley. Ayan, ano natin sa trolley. Ito. Ay, oo nga. Ito may mga cart dito. Para push na lang ng cart dito sa aming mga bag para hindi masyado mabigat. Ito, anak, let's get a cart, anak. Give me that one.
It's here.
Yeah. Mommy will. Wait lang muna. Hirap. Pero kakayanin kahit hirap. Okay, this is very heavy.
Yeah.
It's okay. Bella, importante si Bella, ma-secure. Then Miggy can push the card, right?
Yeah.
Wait lang. Talaga, kailangan.
And bring one luggage so I can put one.
Which one?
Your
backpack?
No, your backpack.
Yeah, your backpack. Wait.
Ah, yeah.
This one here. Okay. Is this good na?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
So, let's go. It will be easier. Yan na, si Miggy. Push na niya. Nagawan ko na ng paraan. And then, asa naman ta, anak? Wala pag ihapon tayo pa. Still going to the SkyTrain, right?
Yeah.
Hindi pa open yung aming, check-in para sa Finnair. Yung bagahe namin, diretso naman na ng Finland. Kaso, kailangan pa namin pick upin yung aming boarding pass. Gawa nga ng mayroon daw unsettled bill sa ticket. Siguro dahil ito yung nagka-problema kasi yung ticket namin yung nakaraan. Buting na nga lang napansin agad. Kay nag-try man sana kami na mag-change ng ticket nung July 15 kasi nga iniisip namin sana na sumabay na kay Robert. Originally, July 15 yung balik niya. Tapos binago namin. Tapos binalik namin ulit sa 29 Tapos parang atang may na select kami na seats. Tapos hindi na ba pinush ba? Hindi na check out. Kaya yun, may problema sa ticket. Pero maanuhan naman yun agad dito. Maremedyohan naman yun. I-cancel lang naman yung seat selection namin. Ayan, maghahanap lang ako ng tawag nito transfer desk ng Finnair. Yun lang i-approach natin right now. So, yun number 1 ang una nating hahanapin. Happy man kayo ang bata. Happy kay Inday. Oh.
I remember there was koi.
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, the fish. Later, Hanak, we have to settle our ticket and arrange everything first before we go somewhere. Let's go. The transfer is there. The SkyTrain. Parang shopping mall lang yung kanilang dito eh. Airport dito sa Singapore talaga eh. Kaya natutuwa ako pag dito kami dumadaan. Parang hindi ko na-feel na siya. Airport. Parang shopping mall. Ayan. May MCM. Halos lahat ng brands nandito din. Ang ganda nung sa nila. Sa LV nila yung mga luxury na shop doon sa unahan. Ito din ang mahal nitong na to. T-brand na to. Hindi na tayo dadaan dyan. Ayan, cosmetics and perfumes. Ayun yung duty free doon. Lotte duty free. May Cartier. Wine and Spirits. Ayan yung sinasabi ko sa yung Louis Vuitton. Dali ha. Wala pa talaga kami nakarating doon sa SkyTrain papuntang Terminal 1. I think we'll be here. No, it's still there. See, the signage says it's still doon sa unahan. Ayan, ang ganda naman itong na to, park na to. So, nagtanong-tanong tayo, maglalakad pa tayo ng mga 3 to 5 minutes hanggang sa makarating tayo ng SkyTrain. Tapos, doon tayo sasakay papuntang Terminal 1. Akin na anak, ako na nga lang mag-push nito. Ayan, naggawa-gawa man ang tattoo si Miggy Wings. Uy. Ayan, so carry ko naman para ayan si Miggy. Hindi din ma-stress masyado yung bata ba kay kawawa din. Kanina kasi umaga, napagsabihan ko na yan na yung dapat patient. And I prayed for it. And I'm glad na medyo mahaba yung ating pasensya ngayon. Especially dito sa mga junakis. Kaya hindi madali At saka hindi pwedeng hindi habaan ang pasensya na baon na magta-travel ka kasama ang mga maliliit na anakis. Happy man kayo itong balaling na to kay ang daming nakikita ng mata. Busog na busog yung mga mata dito ngayon. Hi! Say hi! Hi friends!
Mommy, I want to check that Sony.
Which one?
There.
What do you want there?
I just want to check.
O sige, go and check. I'll wait here outside. Just make it quick, okay? Check daw siya dun sa Sony. Naku, pag nakita pa yun dito sa kabila, may Lego. Ay, wala na yun ni. What did you find? Done? That's good. We found a stroller for Bella. No, it's okay. It's gonna be full. Anak, it will be full. So we go to the next one. We're gonna be in line.
Put Bella there.
Bella there, yeah. Because she's a bit heavy na. No? Hindi, no? I will put it here. Mamaya, papalitan ko ng damit itong bata na ito. Pwede na makulit pa naman. No? Mommy, I'm so proud of you guys. Kaya hindi nagkukulit. Ayan. Na. Yay. Good job. Perfect. Oh, sorry. And then, ano ba ito? Igaganon lang siya. And then, you push Bella. I'll push this one. Okay, sige. So now, at least medyo nakahinga ako ng konti. Medyo gumaan yung pakiramdam ko. Ay, thank you. Ayan, we will be next. Yes, we're going next. Buti na lang si Miggy marunong na to. L2 lang ga. Sabi niya, doon tayo sa L2, mami. Doon ko na pupuntahan natin. Okay, now it's okay? Where is it? Where do I press it? It will automatically go up and down, up and down. Bilaling! Hi,
We're here.
Yeah, yeah, that's
24-hour dining.
Yeah, there is where the koi. Miggy, Bella, don't forget Bella. Oh, push Bella. And then that's where the butterfly park is. Yeah, remember last time when we came? Yeah, no, in that side there.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you go ahead there is a coin. But we will have to go to the no, we have to go to the Terminal 1. Let's go to the ano na muna. Where are we? We are here. Okay, the Skyway. Where is the Skytrain? Sige, sige. Do you want to see Butterfly Garden first? I think the entrance is here. I'm not sure. Where is it? Baka dito yung entrance. Tingnan natin. Saan tayo papasok? Dito tayo papasok. Dali. Ayan. Let's come here and go inside. Pwede ba ipasok to? I think we cannot bring this one lang ga. We can leave the ano here. But we can bring Bella. Take nothing but photographs with nothing but footprints. It's okay. We can bring this one because I saw somebody with the stroller. Come. And then ito, nakaikot naman ang mga beshies natin dito, anak. Tayo ha. Sabagay wala pa namang wala, hindi na tayo baba anak. We just stay here. You just go a bit. You know, yung mga kasi nakaikot na tayo dito noon. Yan. Side trip lang tayo ng konti.
Picture club.
Where?
There.
Yeah. Do you wanna go down still? Kasi ang init lang. Lalabas na ako. Na ako. Kasi sobrang init. Lang. Side trip lang to. Let's go up. Let's go down pala. Me first? Okay. Going down kasi doon pala yung Skytrain sa baba. Iba pala yung pinuntahan namin. Ba't pumunta kami? Oo nga. Akala ko pupunta sa taas. Diretso pala doon sa unahan. Nagkamali lang si Mami na. Buti na lang talaga. Thank you talaga Lord. Nasa mood tong mga bagets na to. Alam ata din nila. Ayaw nila akong pahirapan na. You don't want to give hard time to Mami. No, both of you know. Yeah. Thank you for not having the drama. Come here. Yay! Good job! We go straight there on that side. Doon pala, straight pala doon. Akala ko aakit doon. Syungix din ako minsan. Hindi ko na basa ng maayos yung yung signage. So, okay lang yun. I admit it naman po na minsan nagkakamali. Tao lang din tayo. We're not perfect naman. And then, doon na sa unahan. Malapit na lang. Doon na finally nakita ko na anak. Ay, thank you Lord. Ito na talaga yun. Hindi na tayo ano pa. Here, Gi. Here, it's the Skytrain. And the kids are enjoying naman pag sumasakay ng Skytrain. Si Bella, nung umuwi kami, yan din yun yung outfit check niya eh. Nakaganyan lang din siya nung nasa Hong Kong kami. Pero, mamaya, bago kami mag-board sa Finnair, ko yan, bibihisan ko rin naman yung bata. Para hindi masyadong ma-exhausted, diba? Bahala na yung nanay ma-exhausted, wag lang yung bata. And then, to Skytrain, to Terminal 1 station. Ayan, tama na itong pinuntahan namin. Ito, dito tayo na side ito. Kasi dito sa kabila, papuntang Terminal 2. And then on our left is going to Terminal 1. Let the passengers out muna, anak. And then, we go inside. We go after they're all out. Yes. Good job. Go first, Kuya. Very good job, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya. And then, Mommy too. Good job. And here we go. Just be here on the side, anak. Just here. And so you can hold on the handrail. Go. Hold din si Bella sa handrail. Pag may mamaya shower doon sa shower ko yun si Bella eh. Yan yung labas pero never pa ako nakalabas dito sa Singapore. Hopefully next time soon kung dito kami ulit dadaan. But I'm really planning na mag-visit din dito. Makalabas din ng Singapore. Hindi yung hanggang airport lang. Yung itsura ko ngaragers na mga zay. Ayan kasi ang ganda dyan eh. Kahit hanggang dyan lang sa labas eh. Makaikot-ikot ka dyan. Kasi marami rin tayong makikita dyan na magandang tourist spot na malapit lang dito sa airport eh. Yeah, from the photo it's like that. Why? Did you search for it?
No, I just saw it.
Really? Dito natin tignan. Parang nakita ko na yung dito eh. Finnair dito kanina. Kasi 9 o'clock pa yung connecting flight namin. So, I find it somewhere here because the time is here. This is going to Melbourne. That's not the one. But I've seen it earlier already. That it's somewhere in that. Let's just wait. Jetstar. Going to Finland. Dito tayo lang naman titingin kasi ito yung mga pang alas 9 na flight. So, yung mga the rest niyan is mga earlier flights. So, there's no need to check in the earlier flights. Dubai, Melbourne, Jakarta, wala pa man. Finnair, Melbourne. Pero I think hindi pa open ang kasi hindi pa kasi open ang check-in dahil masyado pang maaga. Dali anak, let's just go find Finnair na tawag nito desk para ma-check natin yung ating ticket. And now we found the Finnair help desk dito. Ayan, dito tayo manghihingi ng help with regards to our tickets. Andali, asa si Kuya? You have already your bag? Hindi. Thank you, Lord. Hindi na kami pinahirapan doon sa aming ticket. Kahit na medyo nagkaroon ng problema. Pagdating namin doon sa, tawag nito, help desk, print na lang yung boarding pass namin doon. Wala na kaming binayaran pa na extra. And then right now, it's 18:22 or 6:22 in the evening. We just have to wait for another 2 hours mahigit. Ali anak! Hello! Pagdating na sa ganito, very safe naman ba? Ayan. So, we just need to be at the gate before 8:55 in the evening. Kasi 9:50 ang ating departure. So, at least we are there. So, for now, maghahanap kami ng maiikutan. Kumain naman kami sa eroplano. Maraming nakain yung mga bata. Si Miggy, si Bella, are you hungry yet?
I think.
Ha? You think? Ito kasi lalaki. Grabe to. Medyo makain to si Miggy. So, let's go there muna. Meron din palang Uniqlo dito sa Singapore. Akala ko sa Pilipinas lang yun. Baka nga pala ang origin yan dito sa Singapore. So, saan tayo? Diretso tayo doon. Kasi yung gate namin, ayan pala si 2021. 24 nandito lang pala. So, we don't really need to be in a hurry. Ayun, nakikita ko na doon sa una. C24 anak. So, it's just near. So, it's there. No, you cannot. See? It's not allowed. Where do we go? We go find something to eat upstairs. Dali. Bella, come. Ang galing talaga ni Kuya Miggy. Ang laki niya talagang help kay Mami. Dali. Always look after Mami. Always follow Mami lang, ha? Enjoy ka? We'll be here on this side. Di pa kami nakapunta dun sa kainan. Wait, anak. Buwan ko muna na. Gatas si Bella. Opo, hihingi na to ng gatas pag nagaganyan na yung bibig niya. Gatas ang ibig sabihin. Dali lang, anak, ha? Where did Tita Donna put milk like that? Where is your milk? Saan ba
Tita Donna?
Yeah, Bella's milk. Yung powder niya ba?
Is Tita Donna now in Dumaguete?
Tita Donna has already checked in on her flight. Opo, milk time! Milk time! Ayan na. Excited na yan. Ito, may tubig naman na ito kasi nanghingi na ako.
Does that her milk work?
Yeah, I already asked at the aircraft earlier for water. Yan, ang kaganahan lang kay Bella, hindi siya nasanay sa warm water.
That's warm water?
No, the normal. Yan. There you go. Hi, milk time! Sabi niya, parang ang tagal mo naman dyan, Mami.
Also shake it.
Yeah, of course. We will shake it. Thank you, Kuya. Kuya is such a good boy. Both of them not throwing tantrums. No?
Like what?
Okay. Wait. Okay, good job. Oh, wait, anak. Hold, anak. I will remove. Hold. I will remove the cup. Hold this. Sige. Give it to her na. Yeah. Milk na ang gusto niyan pag ganyan na yan siya eh. Happy? Pag ganyan na yung bibig mo na. Alam ko rin, maraming magsasabi na naman na I know na your concern will be Huwag vlog ng vlog. Look after your children. Yes, priority po ang mga bata bago yung vlog ng vlog. Ito, remove this one. So, kasi medyo basa ng pawis niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, remove niya yung ano niya. Gusto niya kasi ng ganito. Kasi pag nasa aircraft na kasi, malamig, especially mamaya na mahaba yung flight namin. Which one?
I'll wear this when we're in aircraft.
Yeah, later on. You put this in your waist, okay? Or maybe before we are boarding, you can wear it again. Right now, you can still hang it here in the dito sa mga bagahe. What about your bag? Sus ko, basang-basa yung likod mo. Anak, let's find a paper. Tatayong restaurant. We'll put a paper here. Hindi pwede to, anak. Okay, basang-basa. And then, may cameraman din to siyang dala. He is also a vlogger. Alam niyo ba? Vlogger din to aking kakuti. Ayan. And then, let's put this one. You can hide. Ayan. Kasi minsan pag naglalakad kami, yung ibang clips na nakita niyo, sa kanya yung kuha. It's ano? Baliktad man, anak. Baliktad.
This one?
Yeah, it's baliktad. Cannot be. You are not a good vlogger na. Like that. Kailangan kasi mataas, hindi masyadong mababa. Sabi niya, look at the audience, look at your audience. Your audience here. Ayan. Tapos kailangan ipasok doon sa shirt niya para hindi mauga.
Or later I'll wear this one.
Paubos na yung agad yung gatas niya.
Later I'll wear this.
Yes, later. Tingnan niyo ang Belaling. Ano man yung niluloko niya. Gatas, anak, you have to, this one, hindi ito pwedeng mahiwalay sa'yo. Si Miggy, malaki po ang tiwala ko dyan pag ganito. Medyo, minsan nag-aaway kami nito, pero sobrang ano pa to. Sobrang napapagkatiwalaan ko. I really trust this boy. Sige na, push the Belaling na. Market kami dito, pero ano lang available. Burger King lang ang available, kaya lilipat kami. Inday, you're so cute na, Inday. What happened to you? Pinainom ni Kuya niya ng juice, nag-spill. Say hi. Hi, Steph. Hi, hi. Hi, hi, friend. Man, hinahanap lang si Kuya Miggy. Rewardan ko naman yan si Miggy kasi deserve niya naman mabigyan ng reward. Dahil sa good boy naman. Stay here lang ga. I will just check with Bella something. Kasi tignan niyo yung mga bags nila. Ang ganda ng mga collections nila ng mga bags. Also on this side. Anak, just there muna ha. Salitan tayo na. Kasi ang ganda ng mga bags nila dito. Ayan din oh. Yung cute. Sleeping Beauty Cinderella. 128. Ito oh, ang cute din. Ayan. Ang cute lang ng mga collections nila. Anyway, ito din oh. Tingnan niyo yung bag na to. Ang cute. Pero magbabag ba kayo ng ganyan? Parang hindi na. Pang ano lang ba? Pang display. Anyway, wala pa kami nakaano. Kay mali yung aming napuntahan. Napadaan kami dito. Ayun na naman. Dito na naman kami. Anak! When we come back, let's eat muna. That's the Singapore food culture thing. Sabi ni Miggy, ba't meron ganyan? Pero mukhang totoo, no? Mukha talaga siyang totoo. Parang hindi siya, ano. Ito yung Mayula, Singapura. 2000s and beyond. Ito naman, Nation Building and the Beginning. Ayun yung mga, ano, alakal ko, Alaska, hindi pala. In the beginning, ganyan. Food containers used to take away hawker food in the 1950s for takeaway coffee and tea. Remember, Gi, we eat here with Daddy. Heavenly Wang. Let's try to get something from here. You want the soup, ramen?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mandali. Dito na lang tayo. May mga noodles dito. Ayan. Also here, Gi, ay, this one is sandwiches. Ako, hindi naman ako masyadong gutom. Ito kasi si Miggy. Lately, masyado na namang gutumin. Ay, ayan, oh, gusto ko tong mga ganito. Oh. Yung ganyan-ganyan, pika-pika lang ako. Ito daw ang gusto ni Miggy Wings. Nasi lemak with katsu chicken and aa. Nasi lemak with chicken wrap, cheese tofu and aa. Ito, chicken and aa. Unsa man
And
Miggy?
also one chicken wing.
Chicken wing? Will you finish that? Or maybe this one na lang.
Yeah,
NL3.
That one.
Okay, NL3 sa'yo. What is laksa? Ako, dito na lang ako sa laksa.
With what?
Or no, I will have with Bella. Dito na lang ako. Fried bihon with chicken wrap, cheese tofu, and acha pala. Akala ko Ito na lang sa mani, nugget and crispy. Ito na lang, BH5 and NL3. Lee? BH5 and NL3. Okay, okay, let's
With
go.
one extra chicken wing.
With extra chicken wings. First, Kuya.
Yes, sir.
What happened with the girl? What happened to you? Maybe we change, Kuya. You be here so I can feed her also.
Okay.
Yeah, you have rice and this one. So we eat here. You pray.
Water may $1 per day. This is a letter from their gift to God from the bounty to collect Christ our Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Let's eat. We just shared.
I have this one, right?
Huh?
This one.
Yeah, you have that one.
It's like spicy.
Yeah, the spices. Anak, nahihilig ka rin sa spicy, ha? Yung Bella, kakainin mo rin talaga. Where did you remove your socks from your shoes? Oh. You will eat also?
Yeah,
Mait din
this
si
is
Bella.
good.
The spicy is good? Hilig ka talaga. Thailander ka talaga. What about Bella? Sige, mait. Ikaw, is it hot? Where's the ano? Okay. Si Mama din mag-warm. Sige, tapat na namin. Oh, ito, ang chicken. Oh. Chicken. Ano? Yeah. Na, ito also, I have that spicy thing also. Oh, yeah, mahal nga. I'll try to see if we can buy another or we can find something like that. No. Hindi tayo, ha? Tapos, good girl ikaw later, ha? Pag nag-travel tayo, good girl. Ay, anak! Later na yun. I know you don't like the egg. We'll take it, okay? Ayaw niya kasi itong egg. Tulog ito. Trouble, ano? Eat mo yung chicken mo.
This is like bulad but tasty.
Really? We're eating bulad. And there is also money in the bulad. Sarap kasi mag-explore. Mag-try ng iba't ibang putahe. The food is really good. And then, quick update lang. Kung may tatanong nyo, how is it? How's my experience traveling with a kid and a toddler? So far, so good naman po ang aking experience. Hindi ako pinahirapan itong dalawang anak ko. We are traveling happily. Bago kami umalis ng bahay kanina, medyo isapot ko ba? Tinopak ako kasi nga itong isa nag-throw ng tantrums itong aking binatilyo. So, medyo uminit yung ulo ko. Pero yun nga, nagalitan ko kanina umaga to eh. Kinausap ko na there's only us traveling right now. Kailangan namin na maging na magtulungan sa isa't isa. He needs to assist me. We all need to be patient. And what really helps is yung prayer bago kami umalis. Talagang hindi ko nararamdaman yung pagod. Hindi umiinit ang ulo ko sa mga anak ko. Masaya sila. Pareho kami masaya. Nagta-travel kaming tatlo. Kahit ako lang. At kahit eto, mga bata ang kasama ko. We are happily traveling. So, yun ang importante kasi minsan hindi mo maiwasan talaga. Especially pag nagtatantrums yung mga bata. Pero thanks God kasi walang problema at hindi nagloloko itong dalawa. Kita nyo naman po, updated naman kayo lagi. Every move you make. Kahit na bulingitan na kaayo ng baby namin. Oh, yes! Kahit na dungis-dungis na yan, okay lang? Kahit na dungis-dungis na ito, okay lang, no? Yes. And then, very good. Are you happy? Bella Ling is so happy, right? You want one more? Kain lang din sila. Hindi lang din kailangan iselan. Very good man. Kain na siya chicken nuggets. Sino ba naman kasi mga beshi ang hindi mag-i-enjoy sa bata na yun? Kanina pa talaga yan siya yung mood niya. Happy talaga, no? Ang problema lang naman sa kanya, which I am aware of, is pag landing na, ano na yun siya sa tenga niya. Irritated siya yung tenga niya pag magla-landing na. Hindi ko siya inanuhan kasi ng air muff kasi tinatanggal niya rin. Kahit nga yung headset ni kuya niya, tinatanggal niya rin kasi may ipinaanong namin yung headset ni kuya niya kanina. Trinay on ko. Ayaw niya, irritated siya. So, pero okay naman. Mabilis lang naman. Yung during landing lang naman talaga siya irritated na. But other than that, very good girl. Kiss the beshi. Kiss the beshi. Kiss the beshi. Mwah. Very good. So tayo magpapaalam na for today's video. Dali, papaalam na tayo for today's video. So this is your Inday Karya, Inday Bella together with Kuya Miggy in Singapore. Tayo finish dahil just binaba niya pa pala talaga to. Kaya para magbabay. Okay, again. So this is Inday Karya, Inday Bella together with Kuya Miggy. Tayo finish dahil nailander aking nainay, finish aking tatay. Ako proud Pinay. Bye-bye. Kiss.
Meh.